What's up, guys? It's your boy CeeLo from Smoking Metal Car Fun, back at y'all with another video. Today, I'm getting ready to do a little bit of something I ain't never did before. I'm switching, I guess the grill on my '02 to a 2015. So, I don't know how it's gonna look. I see it on everybody else's truck. People be doing it on YouTube. Stuff. I don't really see too many people on the street with it done. So, I figure I'm going to try it and see what it does to the truck. Now, mind y'all, I do have more things to being done to the truck. This is only the start of, how can I say it, revamping 2.0 to my Dodge Ram. Because, y'all know, my son tore my back bumper up, my back passenger side fender. So, you know, the bed is messed up. He called himself trying to weld it to fix it, make him feel a little bit better, but it is what it is. So we're gonna get a new bed for it. We have that coming, and we got a few other new things, but the bed is definitely a mandatory thing that she needs. So the bed will be one of the things that's coming soon. Just waiting for the guy. I believe I got one. So hopefully if I do, it's a decent price. It's a decent bid. So yeah, I'm gonna see how it go. See what it'll look like. Now, oh goodness, girl, what are you fussing for? So that being said, I'm gonna go over here, grab this, so that way y'all see what I'm talking about. Cause I know y'all tired of hearing me ramble, you know. Plus I got my bed full of motors. You know, this is only some of them. But yeah, the bed full of motors. And, you know, back to the junkyard. Probably scrapyard tomorrow. Because I went today and my phone storage was way past full. So I did not video nothing. So therefore, we are home and we are going to try this. Hopefully it will work. Now, I have it sitting upside down right now because it's sitting on the things. But this is my beast right here. You know, as I was talking to you guys about, is my back. So, you know, that was his weld job. And then this started breaking. So therefore, it's time for a new bed, y'all. I mean, when I say he messed it up, for those who new to the channel, pushed all this in, and he pushed this in as well, broke my aftermarket tail light, so, and the bumper was pushed in, so I had to get a new bumper. So got the new bumper, ended up getting some more tail lights, need a new tailgate. I actually have one sitting over here off to the side, waiting to put it on and do a little bit of things to it. But y'all see she flat, I ain't been driving it. But yeah. And y'all see we missing a whole back window, right? Y'all see that? Guess what? I put a pole through it. So that being said, we just went on and did away with the whole window, got it all out. And I've been thinking about doing something different. I ain't never seen nobody do it with a Dodge Ram before, which is putting a Tundra glass window in it to where it comes up and down. So that way, you know, summertime, it's a good thing to have. And then at the same time, I ain't got to worry about busting my window out. Worry about busting the window out, even though I have the wood to go up and around. But I thought that would be pretty cool to put a Tundra sliding up and go down glass window in there. So yeah, with that, I think that'd be awesome. It'll be different, very different. And so y'all know, she still starts up. She's not just been sitting here dead. I got a slow leak in this tire back here. Still firing right up. It ain't been ran in a while. I'm gonna let it run. But she fired right up. But we got this grill here. It's upside down. That's the route we're going. And then we're going to try and get rid of this one and go that route. So, that's what we're going to do. You know, I think it'll look pretty good with the, you know, the switchback lights. You know, I think it would look pretty good with this. A lot better, I think. I'm one-handed right now, y'all. Now, right here. So, as y'all can see, the thing is broke out. But I have, that ain't bad. Now, told y'all I got like a bunch of stuff. So I do have back here with my bed of goodies. I have the honeycombs for it. You know what I mean? I want to put the honeycombs in it. So I do have that. So, we got the grill with the big ram. So we're going to take these honeycombs and put them in here. I think the big ram would be pretty cool. But it's broke, just so y'all can see. It's broke back up in here, you know. It would be cool if we would be able to put that on there. That would be awesome, but we can't, because I'm gonna show you guys. Trying not to scratch the chrome up. So, right there. That would be pretty cool. Say what? Stop ignoring you. Hey, she talking about I'm ignoring her. I'm out here trying to get some work done. You know what I mean? So, yeah, my baby been sitting here. Down here. Had the lights off for a minute. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and switch this out because it's not going to work. It sucks though. I like that one. But it is what it is. It's gonna look better. So let me, oh snap, I need to show y'all this. I'm sorry, I apologize for women messing with me while I'm out here trying to film a video. See, everything the same. You know? So, y'all ain't gotta be like, oh man, can I do it? Will it work? I'll take these bolts out. Same way that I took them off. Bow, and then just put it back. And then voila magic, you're done. So, give me a second. Let me go see what the wife wants. Okay. Alright, so, getting ready to pump up my little tire. Got a little dark on me. But, we're going to go ahead, turn her around, so that way she'll be at the house with the light. Because I got a spotlight. So, I'm going to go ahead and get some work done still. So let me pump this tire up, y'all. And we'll get back to y'all in a minute. Because I'm quite sure you guys don't want to hear a tire pumping up. You know what I mean? I probably wouldn't. You know? Alright, y'all. So, you just got to get in here and push that back and lift. Oh, I snapped one back in. Ain't that something? But you can get this pulled apart enough so you can lift up on it that way. You know, so there you go. That's why just kind of pop these pins. That's if you want these honeycombs. There it is. Pop, pop. So, we would end up cleaning these. Oh, gonna break my fingers. End up cleaning these all up. Think they look pretty good on there. So, now, I'll show you again real quick. You know, you don't want this piece on there, on the back. You just go ahead and pop it from here, pop these pins, a little flat here like I got, so that way it'll pop out. And then you can get rid of that. Then you got your honeycomb. So that's one out. This one right here, we still have to take the, let me show y'all, the bolts out around the edge. 1, 2, 3, and that's it, just these 3. So y'all can see. Let me turn some light on for y'all, see if y'all can see. Alright. 1 bolt, 2, 3, and it is a number 8. Yeah, I can't see y'all. Yep, number 8 millimeter. And you just go ahead, pop these real quick. And boom, that's one. And now we pop these all the way around. Pop these off. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yep, I'm going to go ahead and pop these off real quick so I can go ahead and switch the grills off. Give me a minute. Let me tell you something. Taking these pieces off. Popping the little rivets. That ain't no joke. Getting these little clips to pop off of that piece. So nothing's broke. I kept everything intact. It just took a minute, and let me see. I was using this flathead, little flathead, and this Phillip right here, little long pointy Phillip to pop them. So now the next step is to. This is done. This is done. Man, I mean, ain't really much I can do with that right now. So I'm gonna put that all to the side and say that one's done. All right. Now I gotta do this part. Oh, let's try. Now let's not scratch it out. Give me a second. Alright, so now we back. So y'all already know I'm gonna have to take this off in order to get this one over here. I ain't gonna be able to slide it in and then pop it, I don't think. But all in all, it's decent. That's the only one that's broke. Just crazy. But yeah. So I'll let y'all see the aftermath after I'm done. Alright. And clean it up. The honeycombs.